Happy Wednesday, Ruckers. You know what time it is. It is weather watching time. Weather Watcher Robert Bennett here, bringing you this Wednesday, October 24th, 2018 afternoon forecast. We have something interesting to talk to you about today, but first, currently right now it's 53 degrees with a dew point of 33 degrees. Humidity's at 47% with a west wind around 5 miles per hour, gusting to 13. It did gust up to about 25 miles per hour earlier today, and we have no precipitation because no precipitation has fallen over the past 24 hours. Looking at the rest of the state, pretty much uniform across from north to south. Lower 50s to the north, mid to upper 50s to the south, 56 in Atlantic City, 56 in Millville, 54 in Somerville, 51 up in Sussex. Not really too much going on across the country, but we do have this coastal storm that is currently impacting Maine, bringing some moderate snowfall from about Caribou down southward throughout much of the northeast portion. Some gusty winds resulted along the coast of Maine as well. For our coastal storm, we've been talking about the last few days here. It's starting to get its act together. We're going to be getting some energy from Hurricane Willa that's going to be coming up, riding along the Gulf Coast states, and an area of low pressure is likely to develop in the deep south. That's going to be better depicted here. We have an area of low pressure that is expected to develop across the Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama coasts, and that's going to ride up the coast. As it does so, a strong area of high pressure is going to ride over the top of it. So basically, the high pressure wants to keep the low to the south, but the low is going to start nudging and pushing its way up. So it's going to be a relatively slow mover, but nothing too slow. I'm not expecting it to be a multiple day event, maybe a day and it's expected to be from Friday evening to possibly Saturday evening. But overall, not too bad of a situation. But what should be noted is that the interaction between these two is called a pressure gradient force, and what's happening is between those two, the winds will get stronger off the coast, off the ocean onto the coast, resulting in tidal flooding. So coastal flooding and strong winds of 40 to 50 miles an hour will be possible for the coasts of New Jersey. Lesser impacts as you move inland. We can time that out here in the GFS model. The GFS has a storm system developing to the deep south, and once again that moves up, not depicted here, but the high pressure comes over the top, slows it down a little bit, but not too much. We can expect adverse weather conditions to start as early as Friday evening, and then the worst of it occurs Friday evening into early Saturday morning. But then by the afternoon, you can see it starts pulling away from our area. We still have some rain in the area, but it should be ending by Saturday evening. Talking about this evening, though, 36 degrees with mostly clear skies. Very bitter, very brisk out there. Northwest winds around 16 miles an hour, gusting up to 26 miles per hour at times. Stepping out for your 7-day forecast. There it is, folks. 56 degrees tomorrow. Clouds on the increase on Friday with partly sunny skies, 52 degrees. And then Saturday is our nor'easter day. It's going to be cold, wind-driven rain is expected. Sunday, we might have some lingering showers early Sunday morning, but those should clear out. Possibly even the sun might break out during the afternoon on Sunday. We introduce shower chances once again on Monday with a temperature of 55 degrees, but then clearing for middle of the school week next week, both at 53 degrees on Tuesday and Wednesday. You can check us out at RUTV channel 20.1 every 15 minutes. Like us on Facebook at facebook.com/WeatherWatcher. Follow us on our YouTube at RUTV WeatherWatcher, and follow us on our Twitter, RUTVWW, using the hashtag RUWeather. I'm your Weather Watcher, Robert Bennett, and have a wonderful rest of your day, Ruckers.